feel like cooking? Well, in Costco you can find so many things that you can make quickly. Here's a few. And you can get chicken tacos with all the fixings. And this is a shepherd's pie. Had shepherd's pie, we've had chicken pot pie from here. They're both good. This is still the chicken tacos. That would be good too. It comes with everything. And this is the meat lasagna. And this one's chicken chow mein. Chicken penne. This looks like a nummy salad. Kale and greens. Kale and ancient greens salad. Caesar salad mix. Chicken salad mix. Shrimp. Something salad. I'll let you read it. And it's got limes in it. And then we have shrimp cocktail. And here we've got our seasoned pepper and garlic drumsticks. Ooh, those look good. Seasoned chicken wings. Bet those are hot. Chicken breasts. And these have to be cooked. This one's got jalapenos on it. Jalapeno lime chicken. What's this? Beef bouillon Korean barbecue sauce. Try it. So many different things. And here we have stuffed salmon. That just looks so lovely. Costco has so much food. And of course you can get sushi. California family pack. Oh, it's good actually. Well, I'm in Costco, and I tell you, you can get any kind of food you want. We got stuffed bell peppers, gyro patty kit. All these meals. And this is chicken vindaloo. Oh, packaged and ready for you to eat. All looks delicious. Now over here, hot Italian sausage and penne with a tomato sauce. Sauce Italiana. Looks so good. keto. I think it's keto salad. It looks great. So this was just a quick little video to show you all the variety you can get at Costco. I just thought it was quite fascinating to see the different types of foods. And I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you're new, please subscribe. Bye.